Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to screen record on laptop. Now, there are multiple ways how you can do it. You can either download an external software and use it to record your screen, or you can just use the Windows 11 built-in function. For this, what you need to do is click on print screen on your keyboard. Then you'll find this pop-up. Just click here on video, and then make sure to select the amount of screen which you want to cover to record. And then from here, you can either mute your mic or just select a mic if you want to record your voice. Also, you can either record the system sound or mute the system sound. Then just click on start whenever you're ready. And now it's recording whatever you're doing. And whenever you're done, you can just click on stop recording. And then it will show you what you have done in your recording. Now, if you want to save the file, just click on save. Then select the location where you want to save it. For example, I want to save it on desktop. Then just rename this video.mp4 and click on save. Now, if you go back to your desktop, you'll find the file here. Then just open the file and you'll be able to see your screen recording. There you go. And that is how to record screen on laptop. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.